Zero to hero, your dropshipping journey starts now. Imagine transforming your life from feeling overwhelmed by the daily grind to enjoying the freedom of working from anywhere in the world. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Wayne Gretzky. This quote resonates deeply with the entrepreneurial spirit. This is true in hockey and it's true in business. Every missed opportunity is a chance not taken, a dream not pursued. Dropshipping is a fantastic way to start your own business with very little risk. You can explore various niches and find what works best for you without the fear of losing a significant investment. No need for a warehouse full of products, no need for a ton of startup cash. You can manage everything from the comfort of your home. Think of it as the lean, mean, entrepreneurial machine of the 21st century. With the power of the internet, you can reach customers globally and operate a business that's agile and scalable. You can go from zero to hero, building a brand and generating income with just your laptop and some hustle. Let's dive in. The potential is limitless and the journey is yours to shape. Dropshipping is simple. You sell products online, your supplier ships them directly to the customer, and you keep the profit. It's a seamless process that allows you to focus on marketing and customer service. It's like being the cool middleman or woman in a business transaction. You connect the dots between the supplier and the customer, ensuring a smooth experience for both. The best part? You can do this with absolutely $0 out of pocket. Imagine starting a business without the financial burden that typically comes with it. That's right, no upfront investment needed. This makes dropshipping accessible to anyone with the drive and determination to succeed. In this essay, we'll break down how to launch your very own dropshipping empire without spending a dime. We'll cover everything from choosing the right products to marketing strategies that will help you stand out in a crowded market. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey towards financial independence and entrepreneurial success. Platform power, launching your store without spending a dime. In today's digital age, starting an online store has never been easier or more accessible. First things first, you need a platform to sell your products. This is the foundation of your online business. Think of this as your digital storefront, where customers will browse and purchase your products. You don't need to be a tech whiz or spend thousands of dollars on a fancy website. The beauty of modern technology is that it simplifies the process for everyone. There are awesome free options available. These platforms provide all the tools you need to get started without breaking the bank. Shopify offers a free trial to get you started, allowing you to explore its features and see if it's the right fit for your business. And WooCommerce is a fantastic plugin that integrates seamlessly with WordPress, giving you flexibility and control. Both platforms are user-friendly, even if you're not a tech expert, like, at all. They are designed to be accessible to everyone. They offer intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces, making it a breeze to customize your store's look and feel. You can easily add products, change layouts, and more. You'll be surprised how easy it is to create a professional-looking online store without any coding knowledge. It's all about using the right tools. It's like building a Lego set, but instead of a spaceship, you're building a business. Piece by piece, you'll see your vision come to life. Social media savvy, free marketing that packs a punch. Now that your online store is up and running, it's time to spread the word. Forget expensive billboards and TV commercials. We're going the social media route. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook are your new best friends. Create engaging content that showcases your products in action. Think eye-catching photos, fun videos, and even behind-the-scenes peeks into your process. Use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience and engage with your followers like a real human being, because you are one. Respond to comments, answer questions, and build a community around your brand. Remember, people buy from people they like and trust. The beauty of dropshipping is that you don't need to handle inventory. You're basically partnering with suppliers who do all the heavy lifting for you. But where do you find these awesome suppliers? 2 words: AliExpress and Oberlo. AliExpress is a massive online marketplace with a ridiculous amount of products at crazy low prices. Oberlo is a dropshipping app that seamlessly integrates with Shopify, making it super easy to import products from AliExpress directly into your store. The best part, both platforms are free to use. Tooling up, free resources to manage your business like a boss. Running a business involves more than just selling products. You need tools to help you manage orders, track inventory, and analyze your website traffic. Don't worry, we've got you covered with some awesome free resources. Canva is your go-to for creating stunning graphics for your website, social media, and marketing materials. Google Analytics provides valuable insights into your website traffic, helping you understand what's working and what's not. These tools are completely free and will make you feel like a business tycoon without the expensive software. SEO, or search engine optimization, might sound intimidating, but it's basically just making sure your website shows up when people search for products like yours. Think of it as digital window shopping, but instead of a storefront, you have a website. Use relevant keywords in your product descriptions, website copy, and blog posts. Yes, you should have a blog. This will help search engines understand what your website is all about and direct the right customers your way. It's like leaving a trail of digital breadcrumbs that lead customers directly to your online doorstep. Content marketing is a fancy way of saying create valuable content that your target audience will actually enjoy. This could be anything from blog posts and articles to videos and infographics. Share your expertise, offer tips and tricks, and tell stories that resonate with your audience. The key is to provide value and build relationships without constantly bombarding people with sales pitches. It's like dating, but instead of a significant other, you're trying to win over customers. From zero to success, inspiring stories of dropshipping triumph. Need a little motivation? The internet is full of inspiring stories of entrepreneurs who started with nothing and built thriving dropshipping empires. Take the story of Sarah, a single mom who turned her passion for handmade jewelry into a six-figure business using only free online tools and social media marketing. Or how about John, a college student who started dropshipping eco-friendly phone cases from his dorm room and now runs a successful business that promotes sustainable living? These stories prove that with hard work, dedication, and a little bit of creativity, anything is possible. Taking the leap into the world of dropshipping. This is where your journey begins, and every step you take will bring you closer to your dream of running a successful dropshipping business. Ready to turn your dropshipping dreams into reality? It's time to take action and make those dreams come true. Here's a simple action plan to get you started. Follow these steps diligently, and you'll be on your way to success. Choose your niche. What are you passionate about? Identifying a niche that excites you is crucial because it will keep you motivated. What products are you excited to sell? Your enthusiasm for the products will resonate with your customers. Set up your store. Sign up for a free trial with Shopify. A professional-looking store builds trust with your customers, or create a WooCommerce account. Both platforms offer great tools to help you get started. Find your suppliers. Explore AliExpress. Reliable suppliers are the backbone of your dropshipping business, and Oberlo for high-quality products at competitive prices. Quality products ensure customer satisfaction and repeat business. Create engaging content. Use Canva to design eye-catching graphics for your website and social media. Visual appeal can significantly boost your brand's image. Start marketing. Leverage the power of free social media marketing. Social media platforms are a goldmine for reaching potential customers. To reach your target audience, consistent and strategic posting can drive traffic to your store. Remember, starting a business is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and perseverance are key. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. Every bit of hard work you put in will pay off in the long run. But with the right mindset, you can overcome any obstacle. And a willingness to learn, continuously improving your skills and knowledge, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. The world of dropshipping is full of opportunities, and with dedication, you can seize them all. The beauty of dropshipping is that it's accessible to anyone with an internet connection and a desire to succeed. You don't need a ton of money, fancy equipment, or even prior business experience. All you need is passion, dedication, and a willingness to put in the work. So what are you waiting for? Take the first step today and watch your entrepreneurial dreams come to life. If you find this video useful, please subscribe, like, and share.